involved in the case were John Tinker, Mary Beth Tinker, and Chris Eckhart, students wearing armbands who were suspended for peaceful protesting towards the Vietnam War.
Although children received suspension toward their acts performed, and parents felt the need to sue due to their children's violations of free speech, the case was taken into further consideration. The ramifications of the case come to be a 7-2 vote held within the Supreme Court. The greater number of votes had been in favor of Tinker.
The case began in the district court, but the case was dismissed because the case held that the school's district actions were reasonable to uphold school discipline. Then the Court of Appeals affirmed the design without opinion. The case finalized in the Supreme Court.
This case is to be considered a landmark case because it had brought awareness toward human discrimination, the unnecessary need to have children receive consequences of wanting to express something of their own given right.
This case is linked to the Constitution because it corresponds with the First Amendment of free speech and protest. When the Tinkers wore the armbands and got suspended, this violated the students' rights. This influenced the Constitution by reinforcing the First Amendment and the administrators taking away those freedoms of the students.
Both Justice Black and Justice Harlan acknowledged the unwanted presence toward releasing this court necessary. Justice Black was one to have believed that the armbands worn did in fact cause a disturbance by taking students' minds off of the significance of their education. Justice Harlan was one to have sought awareness toward bringing more authority to the school officials. This was established to then maintain order unless actions were to stem from a motivation other than any school interest.
This here concludes all of the information that we have pertained from this particular landmark case. Thank you.